Hello everybody. Okay, so I'm back with another tutorial. I've got my hair extensions in again. I just brushed out my hair. It's been in a messy bun today. And I'm just going to show you a quick like 2-minute, 3-minute tutorial on if you're in a hurry. Those are my favorite kind of tutorials. If you're in a hurry and you still want to look cute or nice or more put together than a messy bun. So I've brushed out the hair, and what you're going to want to do first is get a ponytail. Brush out all the bumpies. Okay, split the middle at the top like that. Flip all of your hair through and then push it all through. So you got like a twist at the very top. Then you're going to separate your hair out into 3 sections. So I'm going to work with this section first. Okay. And you're just going to do a regular braid. Go through. All right. Down at the end as a placeholder. If you have smaller bands, great. If not, it's not a big deal because you're not going to keep these in here. So I just put a band on the bottom. Next, I'm going to take the other section and I'm going to braid this in a regular braid. Okay. Hey. Sorry, I don't mean my face to be so serious during this. Okay. Let's get to the bottom of this baby. You put another rubber band. So you've got 2 so far. Now you're on your last one. Okay. And you're going to do another regular braid. All right. And I'm going to put a band on the bottom. Now there's a lot of things that you can do from this point on with other hairstyles. I'm going to show you one today and then I'll show you the other hairstyles later. But this is what we do. So we're going to take the 3 braids and we're going to braid them together in just a regular braid. So take them and braid them. Once you get near the end, take off the bands. Because then you're going to put only one band in. Down at the bottom. Okay. Now, as you can see, I'll bring you closer. It looks pretty cool as is. So if you just wanted to leave it, you totally could. But I just kind of go through and spread the braid out to make it look thicker. And voila, there you go. A really fun braid. And all you do is three normal braids and then braid those 3 braids together. So super cute, easy, simple. Let me know if you try it out down in the comments and let me know what you think. Bye guys.